Maintaining a healthy diet is not always easy. Due to the hectic patterns of our modern lifestyle, we do not always have the time to select the right healthy snacks. At Herbalife Nutrition, we are passionate about helping you achieve your body goals. This is why we are proud to introduce our newest snack, protein chips. Never fried and always popped, our protein chips contain 50% less fat compared to fried potato chips, are high in pea protein and gluten-free. Available in a deliciously tangy sour cream and onion flavor, and a smoky barbecue flavor. Protein chips are bursting with taste and are the perfect snack for sharing or when on the go. Snack smart and help achieve your daily protein goals with Herbalife Nutrition Protein Chips. Contact your Herbalife Nutrition member today for further details.